Imagine opening your front door to find not a friendly delivery person, but a humanoid robot waiting on your porch, package in hand. Sounds like science fiction? At Amazon, this future is closer than you think, maybe just a single software update away. But as these robots prepare to step out of the warehouse and onto your street, a critical question looms. What happens to millions of delivery jobs worldwide? Over the past decade, Amazon has become a global leader in automation. By the year 2024, the company had already deployed over 750,000 robots throughout its operations, a staggering leap from just 200,000 4 years earlier. These machines have transformed the way products are stored, sorted, and shipped inside Amazon's sprawling fulfillment centers. But now, the company's ambitions are expanding far beyond warehouse walls. In a little-known humanoid park, roughly the size of your local coffee shop, Amazon is testing robots that don't just move boxes. They can walk, sense obstacles, and potentially deliver packages right to your door. The company develops the artificial intelligence brains in-house while partnering with robotics firms for the bodies. Amazon's Vulcan robotic arm, equipped with an artificial sense of touch, marks a breakthrough in handling fragile items. The company's commitment is evident. Over $1 billion invested in next-generation industrial technology, including the cutting-edge Digit robot from Agility Robotics. According to a recent industry report, the delivery robots market could surge from just under $500 million in 2023 to nearly $2 billion by 2028. But technology is not just about shiny gadgets and slick demos. There are deeper stakes at play. Adding even one robot for every 1,000 workers can bring down wages by nearly 0.5%, warns a comprehensive MIT study. History shows that automation, if unchecked, can shake up entire industries and communities. Martin Ford, author of Rise of the Robots, puts it bluntly: the automation of delivery jobs isn't just likely, it's inevitable, and society needs to get ready. On the other hand, Amazon's robotics chief Brad Porter sees a more optimistic path. We're boosting safety, efficiency, and job quality, he insists, pointing to research suggesting human stow rates could actually improve if robots handle only the hardest-to-reach tasks. MIT scientist Andrew McAfee goes even further, arguing that while old roles may vanish, new jobs, robot repair, maintenance, programming, will emerge for those willing to adapt. Still, it's hard to ignore the tension building inside the humanoid park. Every robot that learns to step off a delivery van means another question mark for the future of human couriers. As Amazon prepares to send these machines on their first real-world delivery missions, one can't help but wonder, are we witnessing the dawn of a new era or the end of an old one? If robots can deliver faster, cheaper, and around the clock, will cities and workers embrace this change or resist it? And how will regulators keep up with robots navigating our neighborhoods, sidewalks, and even our front steps? The next chapter may decide the fate of millions of jobs and the very nature of how we receive what we buy online. So, where does this leave us as Amazon's humanoid robots prepare to step out of the test park and into our neighborhoods? Let's imagine a few possible futures and what they could mean for workers, cities, and all of us waiting for a package on our doorstep. In the first scenario, Amazon cracks the code. Robots deliver packages across cities, rain or shine, day and night. Human delivery drivers fade from the picture, but new roles pop up: robot maintenance, AI programming, fleet management. Retraining programs become urgent. Brad Porter from Amazon Robotics says, "We're focused on boosting workplace safety and efficiency." Yet the numbers are stark. Studies suggest that for every additional robot per 1,000 workers, average wages might dip by almost 0.5%. Is society ready to help workers pivot? Or will the gap between high-tech and low-wage jobs just keep growing? In the hybrid future, robots don't fully replace people, they work with them. Imagine a human driver and a robot hopping out to tackle different floors of an apartment building, cutting delivery times in half. MIT researchers project that delivery routes could become more efficient, while humans keep jobs that require empathy, communication, or problem-solving. Amazon's own data hints that when robots handle only the top rows of warehouse pods, human workers get nearly 5% faster. This kind of teamwork could keep cities humming, but only if companies invest in training and collaboration, not just cold efficiency. But there's another possible path: regulatory roadblocks and public pushback. Cities could say, "Not so fast." Urban planners warn of robots clogging sidewalks and crowding public spaces. Environmentalists like AI researcher Kate Crawford remind us that robots use more electricity, not less, and that their true carbon footprint might be hidden by shiny marketing. If robots can't handle the messy reality outside the lab, or if residents protest, companies might scale back. Drones or autonomous vehicles could take the spotlight, leaving the robot revolution stuck at the curb. No matter which path becomes reality, the lesson is clear. The future of work is not just about machines replacing people. It's about adaptation. Economist Darren Acemoglu warns, we must find ways for technology to complement human labor, not just substitute it. Tech will keep charging ahead. Our challenge is making sure people are not left behind by investing in retraining, updating regulations, and reimagining how humans and robots can share the same streets. For you, the viewer, understanding these trends isn't just about curiosity, it's about preparing for the world you'll live and work in. If you're in logistics or tech, upskilling now could put you at the forefront. If you're a policymaker or activist, your voice will help shape how cities welcome or reject these new Silicon citizens. And for all of us, there's a chance to ask, what kind of future do we want? Can we balance speed and convenience with fairness and opportunity? So, can humans and robots truly coexist on our streets? The answer is, it depends on our willingness to adapt, regulate, and reimagine the world of work. The robots are coming, but the story is still unwritten. Here's one more secret fact. Amazon has quietly invested over $1 billion in new industrial technology, betting big on robots. But it is also collaborating with MIT to study the social impact, hinting they know the human side of the equation is just as vital as the tech. If you enjoyed this dive into the robot revolution, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on global economics and technology. What do you think? Are you ready to share your sidewalk with a delivery robot?